Which factor will be the dimensionless quantity? So here, the force defining equation is given in the question, whereas EF is equal alpha t square plus beta t. So based on the principle of homogeneity, we can write EF is equal alpha t square and EF is equal beta t. It's known that the dimension of force is nothing but m l t power minus 2. So when we are calculating the dimension of alpha, we can write F divided by t square. Again, here we can write m l t power minus 2 is the dimension of force. For a time 2, we can write the dimension t2. So finally, the dimension of alpha will be equal to m l t power negative 4. Similarly, we can calculate the dimension of beta is equal f divided by t. The dimension of EF is m l t power minus 2 divided by time dimension will be t here. When we are simplifying, we will get the dimension m l t power minus 3. So now we have a dimension of alpha and beta. So here we can apply in the given options. So we can form the answer like which will not have a dimension. So let us check option A. When we are checking option A, everything is in the multiplication. Here, when we are multiplying alpha and beta, definitely which will give the quantity having a dimension. So option A will not be the correct answer. So let us check option B because it is in the division. So when we are multiplying alpha, beta and dividing t, we will get m l t power negative 4 times m l t power negative 3 divided by t. When we are simplifying this, we will get m l t power m power 2, L power 2, T power negative 7 divided by T. Again, if we are simplifying, we will get n power 2, L power 2, T power negative 8. So this is having a dimension. So option B will not be the correct answer. Let us check option C. Option C is given as BT divided by alpha. So the dimension of B is M L T power negative 3 and the dimension of T will be capital T divided by the dimension of alpha is M L T power negative 4. When we are simplifying this, m will get cancel each other and the t will have a value of t power minus 2 times t power plus 4 which will be equal to t power 2. So option C is also not a correct answer. Let us check option D. Option D is given as alpha t divided by beta. So here we can write alpha as m l t power negative 4 times t divided by the beta value ml t power negative 3. So here when we are simplifying the similar terms, we will get t power negative 4 times t divided by t power negative 3. Again, we are having a similar terms because the upper term will be equal to t negative 3 divided by t power negative 3 in the down, which will get cancel each other. So it will give a value of 1. It's known that the numbers will not have a dimension. So the dimensionless quantity here is option D.